Hi, my name is Chris. I look forward to meeting you here in Vietnam. Would you like to produce fabric and garments here in Vietnam? If so, let's connect. I can help you. We're all dealing with varying tariffs, rising labor costs, and consumer spending going down around the world. I know how it feels. I've started my own hoodie brand here in Vietnam using polyester-spandex fleece fabric, and I'm facing some similar challenges. So where do you live? Are you producing fabric locally and finding it hard to keep your profit margins? Or is China just not working for you like it did the last 10 years? Or have you contacted Vietnamese factories and they're just not replying back to you quickly? Whatever the case may be, I can help you. The root of the problem is just the time that we live in. With all the economic pressure and the trade wars that are going on around the world, it's pushing brands to be flexible, which can be costly. Having to get price quotes from China, India, Pakistan, Vietnam is both time and resource intensive. I don't have a magic wand, but I do have a very strong and wide network of factories in Vietnam and on-the-ground intel that I can share with you based on my 15 years of experience producing apparel here in Vietnam. My unique way of working is to look at the numbers first, because if the numbers don't make sense, then Vietnam doesn't make sense. And I'm not here to sell you Vietnam, I'm here to help you find a solution to your problem. Sometimes Vietnam is the right place to be, sometimes it's not. Don't let the headwinds get you down. Let's jump on a 15-minute free Zoom call and discuss your specific situation. I will give you my advice, and if Vietnam makes sense, let's find a way to work together. Fill in my contact form, and then I will send you a link to schedule a call on Calendly. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.